So you're away from home and you've made something nice for dinner. You've just made a right mess of your RidgeMonkey or NGT Toastie maker. If you car camp like me, you need the quickest, easiest and most effective method of cleaning that thing before storing it away again. So here's a fine mess I made earlier, courtesy of some Gammon steak and pineapple, after deciding I wanted to caramelise a pineapple. And this is what it should look like. I've found that using cooking oil and wiping with kitchen roll does a great job of cleaning the non-stick surface, but on this occasion it was a bit more stubborn. The pan had started to cool. This works well if your pan is still hot. So simply pop it back on the heat for a bit and wipe again. Success! Clean and shiny, ready for next time. If you have access to soapy water, you might want to wipe it over again, but for short car camping trips, this works well for me. You can watch the Gammon steak and pineapple video by clicking the link above.